This week's video is brought to you by NEARWEEK's amazing newsletter. Check them out to find links to anything I cover here. Guys, Nightshade 2.0 just launched on Mainnet officially, introducing stateless validation and enhancing sharding efficiency, another step towards 10 shards in 2024. Reflexivity reports that NEAR has reached 1.4 million daily users in Q2 of 2024. NEAR is now accessible to New York residents on Coinbase and its apps. NEAR DevHub's Joe Spano and Bowen Wang explore Nightshade 2.0's effects on performance and scalability with stateless validation and expanded sharding capabilities. NEAR's Ledger app 2.0 releases here, rewritten in Rust, enhancing secure wallet integration. Check out NEAR AI Office Hours with a reading group style with Alex Skiddenoff leading it. Explore the intersection of AI and crypto as Grayscale makes a great write-up, highlighting examples of protocols that help drive innovation, compute marketplaces, and potential solutions for AI-related challenges. This is where I put a Web3 Projects ad read, so if you want to book a slot for next week's video, shoot me a DM. Check out BT Protocol's week in review that they just posted, where they honed in on AI applications and grant refocusing. If you're looking to get a grant right now, Mint-based grants are prioritizing new open source primitives to drive blockchain innovation. Nightshade Volume 2 cuts validator RAM usage by 90%. This obviously boosts scalability and security, lowering the cost of running a NEAR node while ensuring full uptime. Don't miss Chain Abstracted Podcast episode 15. Alton Tudor sits down to discuss Fluent's platform for blended execution environments, supporting multiple VMs and the upcoming mainnet launch. Wooey Podcast episode 68, interviewing Eric Weiner, comes out on Twitter. You can watch it, and they dove deep into the world of Pagoda. The launch of DapDap's DaVinci has just been announced, the next-gen DeFi consumer app featuring a refined user-centric design for seamless experiences. Thunderherd's referral system is now live, allowing users to earn points by sharing. BitGet has been added to the Ref Finance aggregator, now supporting bridging USDC from EVM to NEAR. They're utilizing USDC to farm on Ref with a 10% APY to boost your returns. There's also been a major aggregation bridge update for Ref Finance. Now you can bridge USDC to NEAR effortlessly from Base, Avalanche, Flare, Sei, Tyco, and enjoy competitive rewards. Users can now access Thunderhood multi-chain launchpad via Sender Wallet. I knew they were cooking something. This enables one-click token launches and seamless connectivity. My NEAR Wallet launches liquid staking feature. Now you can unlock passive rewards by staking NEAR directly within the wallet. Meteor Wallet has achieved some significant milestones recently. Here's their weekly update. Burrow Finance and Ref Finance have now launched LP as collateral. Users can now leverage a 3x loop strategy to significantly enhance your assets on NEAR. Ref Finance's latest pool has achieved 188% growth this week. Here's their weekly update. BlockPi now supports NEAR's Mainnet, receiving NEAR infrastructure grants to develop a faster RPC. Orderly Network partners with Flipside, combining centralized and decentralized exchange ecosystems with upcoming airdrops and launch pools. Be sure to catch up on Aurora's updates, news, and insights for the past week, including new products, features, and important announcements. Ample Protocol is now live on Mainnet, the beta dApp for Ample. They're going to be transforming tokenization of intellectual property and content monetization. Guys, NEARWEEK is the leading source of all things NEAR, so be sure to subscribe to their newsletter. They got spaces, videos, threads, they got everything. If you enjoyed this video, like, retweet, and follow for more. And if you are a Web3 project and you want to work together on content, shoot me a DM or regret it later.